MFA for AWS CLI with SafeNet Trusted Access. Now in the background here is a Python script that will authenticate my test user using MFA and populate this AWS CLI credentials file with short-lived API credentials. As you can see, the keys are currently empty. So I'm going to run the script in a moment and we'll then revisit the credential file. But first, let's look at the interactive flow when using the browser. Here, inputting a username will trigger a push authentication flow, but you see that we also have a passcode field to make the solution more robust. We're going to use that later in the CLI. Now, we have access to AWS, and I'm going to click I am and then go into listing users, and then we'll perform the same action using the CLI. And in this tenant we have Bob, Jonas, and Sue. Now running the script, and I should say this script is an adaptation of a script provided by AWS on their security blog. It will prompt for star username, so I will input Jonas again. It will then prompt for OTP or one-time password, and I will use Mobile Pass Plus on my smartphone to generate that. It could be any authenticator supported. And we are now authenticated, and returning to that credentials file, we can see it now populated with a temporary set of credentials. And lastly, I am executing the list users command, and indeed we have Bob, Jonas, and Sue, and hopefully that proves the point.